Let's meet Tork! Come on down, guys. An original composition by Tork. A little winded. A little winded. By Tork, I said. The band, I thought the band name was Tork. Yeah. The song is called Seagull. I know that. That's what I was saying. Troublemaker. Alright. Once again, how you doing?
Jonathan Ripley, guitar.
I'll let you catch your breath. Let's come back down here to the shredder.
I'm Eric and I play guitar.
And a little bit out of place is?
I'm Austin and I play drums and bass.
But normally not at the same time. And our hardest working man here tonight.
Brendan Anderson, vocals.
Yeah! And here's the really cool thing about these guys and that song too. I think everyone here knows that one. They played it, they recorded it this week. Did y'all write it this week too? They wrote it, I heard some of the writing process. Actually, they started on that Sunday, I think, actually. Tuesday? Tuesday or Wednesday? It's been non-stop music. Anytime you see any of these guys, the music is going, and they're creating it. And they wrote that one, they did the whole thing. They put together this band with different guys. Awesome. That's what it's all about. So great job, guys. Give it up for Tork!